As you can see, I got my terminal open and I've activated the virtual environment here on the right side, and on the left is the Genie code editor. It's blank at the moment. So what I'll do is to first create a blank Python file. I'll call it version 1. The reason being, I like to develop my app step by step and keep on adding functionality and make sure the version works before I add new functionalities. And I like to keep my older version around so that if there's anything I can revert back to the older version. So there'll be pyBean 2, pyBean 3, where more and more functionalities will be added. Okay, now the blank file is created. I'll open it and Genie. Okay, it's blank now. What we do is start importing the necessary module for the text-to-speech part. That would be the eSpeak module. Also the time module. I explain the use of time later. I will define a few variables for eSpeak. It can accept male voices and female voices. The male voice is the pitch for the male voice is set at 60. The pitch for the female voice is set at 140. And the next variable I define is the words per minute. First set at 120. This is how fast eSpeak will be speaking. And then we'll create an instance of eSpeak. I call it my speaker. Equals to eSpeak. Speaker. Okay, and then I'll set the speed to what I set above, and I'll set the pitch to male. Okay. Okay, the next thing we do is to define a function called speak, where I'll pass it a variable called text, and that's where my speaker will say whatever text you pass in. Okay, let's see whether it works.
One.
It works.
One.
Okay, let's say something longer. The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. Something else. Okay, let's see whether it works.
It is night. It is night.
Okay, notice that it didn't say the first two sentences, and I think it's because before you could finish saying, you receive a command to say another sentence. What I'll do is to give it some delay after every phrase. For that, I will calculate the delay according to the length of text. And with that, I will create a word list by splitting the text, and then calculate the length of the text, which is the number of words in the word list. I call it delay round the length of the text, which is the length of the word, number of words in the word list. Okay, I'm going to change it to seconds because the delay is in seconds divided by the word per minute. Okay. Okay, then let's see whether it works. Time, sleep, duration is my delay. Save it. Let's see whether it works.
The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. It is night. The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. It is night.
Okay, it seems to skip the one word sentence, and I think it's probably because with one word the delay end up being 0, so there's actually no delay. So let's see, I have if delay is less than 1 second, it will have a delay of at least 1 second. Let's see.
1. The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. It is night.
Okay, it seems to work. Okay, so that's all for now. I'll deactivate the virtual environment.